Look. Look at the floor. Now look down. Now look up, bend back. Now, up here. Plie. Step. And. Okay, now. You're going this way. So that's why you bend this way. So you still have to have opposition. Because what's happening to some of you is you're not doing that and you're almost falling over there. You're not opposing where you step. Then afterward, this is a tournier. You step into a plie which continues to stand on that foot, right? It's still a dancing step, all right? Okay, again. I want to see more of this and that and that. And, yeah, now look at the floor. Left arm is up. And, now, fifth, smoothly. Now up here, up the wall. And to the floor. And, arm down once more. More. Bend away. Better. Left arm up. And arms down. Push. Think bigger, bigger. Push. Right. And. Yeah. Okay, better. Yeah, when you use your body, it looks, then you're doing something. Then it looks interesting. Otherwise, there's nothing to look at. Dancing is motion. It's a motion, right?